Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. There is a major fire at the Rodeo New Star Refinery that is near me. Two storage tanks have been burned, and it started a grass fire. The fire department and Contra Costa sheriff are on the scene. This happened about 15 minutes ago, but there's no further word as what's going on at this refinery. And the earthquake did interrupt Operation Glass Site at another refinery and the Shell refinery. So who knows if this is a result of the earthquake last night. That's all the details I have. I'll keep you advised when there's more information. That I've looked at the stories, and that's all that's out there. But it is putting out smoke, and people reported several explosions at that refinery that people live in the area. So Rodeo's up the hill about 10 miles, and there's a lot of industrial stuff up there. So I'll just let you know if any further news on this. It is a major fire, though. All right. This is Jordan Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Donate to the channel so I can produce live breaking news updates and chat. And I will catch you next time. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Most of all, stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now.